Hello there, I'm Janette Lane, a craft designer here at CraftStash, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a little bit of embossing and resisting. Emboss resisting. Why is that so hard for me to say? I do apologize. So I'm going to be showing you how to do some fun heat embossing and also some colorful backgrounds, how to pair that with a colorful Tim Holtz Distress Oxide background, and I'm going to be working with broken china and twisted citron. I love these colors because they're very, they remind me a little bit of spring, kind of summer colors. And what I'm going to be doing first is setting my oxides aside. I'm going to grab my stamp. My stamp, I'm going to be using the Nature's Bloom stamp set by Apple Blossom. And Apple Blossom is a brand that's exclusive to CraftStash, so you're not going to find it anywhere else. And I absolutely love this stamp set. This is an A5 stamp set, and we have a few designs available, which I will link for you below. But all the stamp sets that we offer are amazing because they have these ginormous, just giant designs. So this Dragonfly that I'm going to use it's huge. It's like, I want to say 2.5 inches by 2. I don't know, it's very large. And so we have like a wreath here, a floral wreath, and some fun sentiments. And every set is not the same, but you know, you get the same great large images, some sentiments, and there's different themes and designs. So I will have those all linked for you below because I think they're really just a really great value, great price, great design, and they are the perfect addition for your craft stash. So I'm pulling off the Dragonfly design, and sorry, trying to get it to fit on my stamping block. I'm going to be using my my embossing ink pad. I'm going to load up my stamp with some ink so that I'm going to do some clear heat embossing. Now that my heat embossing is done, it's time to get inky with these Distress Oxides. And so what I'm going to do is just color over my background with the Distress Oxides. And so I'm going to take my little blendy tool here, my little sponge blender, and I'm just going to dip that into the oxide. And I'm going to swipe all that color onto my background. And I'm going to switch colors to the Twisted Citron. And I'm going to load up my little smoothie with that and just go right in there and blend that color together with the broken china. So see, we have these really harsh lines here. No worries, you can just go back and blend that out. and get some really nice color. It's just so fun to play with these inks. If you don't have your own set, I recommend that you get some. They're just really great to work with. They're very popular, and we have them available on the website. My colors mixed a little bit, but it's not a big deal because they can just be blended out together. I really don't mind. I think it just gives the card more character. I'm gonna grab a scrap piece of paper here so I don't get my fingers too dirty. That's not fun. And again, I'm just going back and blending out those really harsh lines. See how blendable they are? These colors are, these oxides, they're seriously amazing. And then we can go back, maybe add a little bit more color here on the bottom. Get that blue a little bit brighter. And I love how the clear embossing powder just, I mean, you really don't have to think about it. You can just go over it. It's nice. It's perfect. I'm loving this effect. And you can also do the same thing the other way around. So if you took a blank piece of card and first did your colored background, then you could do the embossing on top, but you would have to use white embossing powder. So in case you don't have white embossing powder and you want to work with the oxides and embossing, then I recommend the clear embossing powder. It's just so fun and it's so easy. I'm going to add a sentiment to my card front. So I'm going to be using the verse here which says, "Flowers bloom, love blossoms, friendships grow, all things begin with spring." And I'm using the Distress Oxide as a stamp pad to stamp my sentiment on some white card, and then I'll cut that out and put that on the front. Well, that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was just a quick idea to share with you to incorporate into your own paper crafts. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like any more information on the products, on the stamp sets that I use, then you can head over to craftstash.co.uk where you'll find heaps and heaps of inspiration and how-tos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!